In this tutorial, we are going to learn about these OLED displays which can be very easily interfaced with the Arduino and can display the important parameters for your project and see how to convert these screens from SPI to I2C. So let's get started. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB. They are known for high quality PCB prototype manufacturing. They can not only provide you 2-layer PCB but also 4-layer and the 6-layer PCB as well. Upload your Gerber files to get high quality and the professional looking PCBs. The main benefit for opting this option is the insanely low prices. That is only $2 for the 2-layered PCB. I have received my PCB just after the 1 week of the order and I have to say they are one of the best I have ever seen. Check out the JLCPCB, link is in the video description. OLED displays comes in various sizes and 2 different interface. Number 1 is the I2C, which uses the I2C bus of the Arduino. It requires 4 pins to operate. 2 of them are for the power and the other 2 are SCL, which stands for serial clock, and the SDA, which is serial data. We generally prefer I2C interface over the SPI because it requires less number of pins as compared to SPI. But if you have SPI OLED, you can easily convert it to I2C. If you flip around your display, you will observe your display has indication to convert SPI to I2C. You need to switch the resistor from SPI to I2C and short the resistor path R8. Now your VCC and the ground line are the same, but CLK will be your now SCL and MOSI pin will be your SDA. And remember, you need to connect the reset pin to the VCC and the other 2 to the ground. Now to interface this display with the Arduino, first we need to connect the power and then connect the SCL pin to the SCL pin of the Arduino and the SDA pin to the SDA pin of the Arduino. If you don't know which pin you need to connect, head over to the Google and search I2C pin of the Arduino, and here you can see for the Arduino Nano, A5 pin is the SCL and the A4 pin is the SDA. Similarly, now you can interface this display with the Arduino Uno or the Mega. Now to display the information on these OLED screens, we need to program the Arduino. For that, we will be using U8GLIB library. Open the Arduino IDE. In Sketch tab, select Include Library, then Manage Library. Now search U8GLIB, scroll down and install it. Let's start with the Hello World program. Here first you need to know your display's model number. Mine is SSD1306. So in the program, you need to uncomment your display's model number in order for it to work. Let's upload the program and see if it works. In this function, the first 2 parameters are the X and the Y coordinate. By changing them, you will change the position of your text. And the third parameter is the text, which you can change. There are several other functions in this library which you can use to display a circle or an ellipse. You should check out the reference manual for the library, link is in the video description. All the functions in this library work in the same way by just changing the X and Y coordinates. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more awesome content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.